Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickFunnels, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the ClickFunnels website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill out the registration form with your information. Choose your preferred payment plan. Enter your credit card details to complete the registration. Check your email for a confirmation message. Click on the confirmation link in your email. Log in to your ClickFunnels account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To create your first funnel, click on the Build Funnel button. Select the type of funnel you want to create. Follow the prompts to name your funnel. Choose a funnel template that suits your goals. Customize the template according to your preferences. Use the drag and drop editor to add or remove elements. Click on each element to edit text, images, and links. Preview your funnel by clicking the Preview button. Once satisfied, click on Save to store your changes. Set up domain settings if needed by going to the Domains section. Connect your custom domain to your funnel. Adjust email settings for notifications and follow-ups. Test your funnel by visiting the URL in a new browser window. Check the functionality of buttons and links. Make any necessary adjustments. Once everything is working, click on Publish. Your ClickFunnels installation is now complete. You can start driving traffic to your funnel. Monitor performance through the Analytics section. Continuously optimize for better conversions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.